We interact with it hundreds of times a day, but we never truly see it. In the split second before your screen unlocks, a hidden sequence of events takes place. An invisible world coming alive. It begins with a silent flash. The Flood Illuminator blasts a beam of infrared light towards you. Invisible to the naked eye. But to the sensor, your face is suddenly bathed in radiation. The canvas is prepared. Then, the engineering marvel kicks in. The dot projector fires through a microscopic prism, scattering exactly 30,000 points of light. This isn't a camera taking a picture. It is projecting a precise, three-dimensional grid onto your skin. The system reads the distortion of the dots, the ridge of your nose, it maps the depth of your eyes, creating a topographic map of your identity. It converts your physical features into a mathematical hash. Secure. Unfakeable. Engineering that feels like magic. Because it disappears the moment it works. Seeing the unseen. Welcome to Arcane Tech Labs.